Guys, so today I'm actually gonna check the Z and see what type of maintenance it needs. Check the 2 engine filters, the oil, and then eventually I'm gonna take it to a shop to fully do like a whole entire 360. Check this and this, because this is the engine filter and the cabin filter is underneath the glove box. So here's my coolant antifreeze. Kind of drained a little bit. I filled it up like a week ago here. For some of this as well, which it does not work. Power steering fluid, which looks like I have a good amount still. That's pretty dirty. Ooh, that's also dirty. The thing needs to be changed. Oil change for sure. This I could do. I eventually need to buy this. The fuse needs to be fixed. This I can't say what happened. So much better. Dirty clean. Okay, this should be very easy. So we're just gonna put this back in here. So we're gonna put it just like this, and that's how it's supposed to look. Not like this. Woo! So the same way we took it out, we're just gonna put it right back. Alright guys, that's that. That was very easy. So anyone that has a 370, I don't know, I think 350 is the same thing. By all means, hopefully that helps you. It's pretty simple. Like, you don't need to pay anyone to do it, trust me. Save your money. Change the battery to the keys because I don't know, it's just honestly messing up too much. So I think the battery's dead. So we're gonna do that now. This is the battery you need for, honestly, your Nissan Altima and your Z, so it's the same thing. I forgot I have a cabin air filter, which I should probably check and change as well. It's right here, don't need to buy it. So that goes underneath the glove box. That should be fun. I did see like a video on it, and it doesn't seem as hard as the Altima. The Altima was very hard. Like, it's just the angle, the way it's positioned, it makes it harder. So this should be a lot more easier. This should be fun. I want to see my headlights transform, and it should give the car a way better, cleaner look. Once I also put a different light bulb, it should just look 10 times better now on the outside. It's coming along slowly, but you know, maintenance is very important, and that should always be done first before any type of mods. And it's hot as hell and I'm sweating. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. You're gonna just take your screwdriver, unscrew all these 4. We're gonna unscrew it counterclockwise. Okay, we have these screws. There's one right here. There's another one right over there. We're just gonna unscrew that so we could take this off. All right, took this out from the bottom. I clipped it off. Oops. There's another screw over here. Now I'm gonna unscrew this. All right, well, like, that wasn't a hassle. So I just ripped it off right here. No, I'm kidding, I didn't rip it off. Okay, so the filter is up here. I'm excited to see this because I know, oh gosh, actually there is no filter.
What?
What the fuck? Hold up, look at this. There's no filter. Okay, well, that's very exciting to know. So I guess all I have to do is just put the filter in there. I'm gonna wipe that down and then just install this filter. Go ahead and clean the Z. It's really bad actually, like inside, and it smells pretty funny. So I know I have like a set of interior supplies. I was gonna get the car detailed, but I kind of want to do it first, see what I can take off, and I can't take everything off, then you know I'll call a detailer. But then there's a lot of dog hair, so weird hair, which is not mine. Like I said, I haven't even put my dogs in there, so it's definitely not mine. Oh, I might need stuff like this, or this might be too rough, right? Oh, this is perfect to like scrub the interior, like the doors, like it's bad. Or maybe I could use like maybe my goo gun, mixing up the dirt. Oh yeah, I just made something up. So I finished cleaning the Z, and it took me 2 days to clean that. That was dirty. Like, I don't know what it had. The steering wheel was probably the worst part ever. It was like a layer of dirt, like just around here. We have actually a little something for the Z. As you guys know, I'm new to manual, so I don't have the number on the stick. I don't know, it just has like the Z one. If you guys are interested, sending me something, I do have a PO box. I'm gonna put it somewhere here, maybe right there. Here it is, perfect. It's actually pretty nice, so it matches perfectly inside the car. It's what I have. As you can see, it doesn't have like the numbers, so this is why I got it, so I can remember. Hopefully it is. Oh, perfect. Damn, this thing is heavy. Woo! I was trying to do this and it did not come out right. As you guys can see, I don't know why it is like this. Someone correct me. It should be like this if I'm not mistaken. So I just got a regular black one here, and I don't know how this goes. Brain fart. I don't know. Ball like that. Oh, I wouldn't need the ring, right? I feel like a total dumbass doing all this. I don't know if I did it right, so if anyone can let me know, please. comment down below, or I don't know, like I'm assuming I don't need this ring anymore, but I'm very confused. I really didn't want the stick to be so high up. I kind of liked it how it was without the adapter. Can't figure it out, like if this is correct or not. So I guess that's the end of today's video, and I hope you guys did enjoy it. There's a lot more I have to do to the 370. You have to do the big maintenance. I have to do like oil change. I have to do like my fluids, like all that to get the car really running. Practicing driving though, but off camera, because I want to have like 100% my focus on the car since I'm new to manual, and I just don't want the camera there to be in my way. You know, it's kind of like a distraction right now. So when I get good, I will be recording as well, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And again, if you guys know, let me know if I did this knob wrong. Like, I really didn't want to use the adapter. I just wanted to use this. I know you can just use the ring and the knob, like the ball itself, but it just wasn't looking right, unless I had to rip the leather part out and then like put it underneath. But other than that, I still wouldn't know, because I know there's like another ring holding the leather material. Peace.